boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a collaboration here, PAULO LONDRA and Ed Sheeran, and this one is called Noche de Novela. All right, so we have one chord progression that goes through an entire song, and I'm going to show you how to handle this in different ways. We have certain notes to play or emphasize, and we have this strumming pattern. So let's start. No need for any cape on this one, and let's go over the chords first. So it will be C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the B minor 7 next. So that's a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And then the rest will be fourth on D and third on B. We have E minor, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D next, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be G. Okay, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and third E. All right, so that's the 5 chords we need. The chord progression will be C to B minor 7 to E minor to D. And then it kind of starts all over again with a different ending. So it goes C, B minor, E minor, and G instead. Okay, so C, B, E minor, D, C, B, E minor, G. All right, so there we have it. Okay, let's start with the melody we can use. And you can play it like I showed you with this picking, or you can also do it with some downstrokes. It's pretty easy both ways. So let's start from the beginning here with the C. I use a clap in between. So what you do here, you hit the bass. So in this case, you hold the chord as it is and hit the bass on the A string. And here there are no kind of rules like when it comes to which strings to hit like this. You just hit some strings on the bass there. So perhaps the A and D string there, you can go down with the thumb like this, hit them both or so. So somewhere in the bass area. And then you answer with the top strings here, and we want to emphasize the open E, this one. But you can also hit the B string, it doesn't hurt. So like this, okay? So we have this kind of alternating thing here going on where they answer each other. So bass, top, like this. And that is the C part. And then you move to the B minor. Here you hit the strings together. So you want to emphasize here the 3rd fret B string. Hit that together with the bass, like this. And that's it for B minor. Then you move to the E minor. Here you want to hit in the same way the C part. You have this bass first, and that is of course the open E string, and you can go down to A and even D if you want, like this. And you're gonna answer with the top strings here, and in this case you want to emphasize the 3rd fret E string, so you need to add that one to your E minor. Oh, sorry for the sound there, like this. So add the 3rd fret E string. This one is what you are aiming for. Okay, so far okay. And then you have the final chord, the D here for the first round. You play it just like that. You pick all the strings. So you want to emphasize the 2nd fret E string. This one is important here. You can pick all the strings from D to E together. So right. Then the next part, it goes pretty much in the same way, the C, B minor, E minor. you're gonna play that in the same way. And then the final chord will be G. Here you're gonna play and pick the strings together like they are from the chord. So that means 3rd fret E string will be the bass, and here you want to emphasize the open B string. So this one. So just pick them together like that. All right. So that is one round when it comes to the melody. You can go with picking, so like this. Okay. Or you can do it like I did in the opening here of this tutorial. I played it both in this picking way, but also with the downstroke. So that means okay. So you can do it in that way as well. Okay, so that's for the melody. Now let's look at the strumming pattern, and you need to think here pair of chords. So that means C and B minor will play in one certain way, and then you apply that to the next pair here, E minor to D, C, B, and E minor, G. So you're gonna play in the same way there. So let's look at the first 2 chords, the C to B minor 7. Okay, so one round of this pairing will sound like this. Oh, sorry. All right. So for the C part, it will be down, down, up, clap, and that's it. Okay. So down, down, up, clap, and then you quick change to B minor 7, and there you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, down, up. So you play the first down and a short pause there, it's extended, and then comes the down, up, clap, down, up. So it will be like this. So C, down, down, up, clap, and then shift to down, down, up, clap, down, up. So slowly, like this. And then you apply that to next chord. So E minor to D, you're gonna play E minor in the same way as you played C now, and the D in the same way as you play the B minor 7, and so on. So slowly, one chord progression around with the strumming will sound like this. And with some standard tempo, something like this. Yeah, or G in there. Anyway, that's how you handle this song, Noche de Novela by Londra and Sheeran. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.